Hello and welcome to Ellen's Crochet Channel. My name is Ellen, but you already knew that. Today is Tuesday, December 2nd. It's Vlogmas 2025 episode number 2 for my channel. Vlogmas on my channel will be opening some advents, and if I have any updates to what I'm working on, what I plan on working on, that's what I will bring to my Vlogmas 2025. This is the first year that I've been doing Vlogmas, so, you know, a little new to it, and I hope you will stick around and watch my videos and leave comments and enjoy my content. So yesterday I showcased my first advent that I received, which is from Crystal Bag O' Days hand-dyed yarn that she has on her Etsy shop. Last month she put out a few advents. She had some advents and I ordered it because I love all of Crystal's yarn. Back in June, I ordered my first advent. I had never ordered a yarn advent or any advent for my channel previously, but I was I'm a subscriber to Russ from It's Raining Yarn, and he had Heather from Aberdeen Wool on his channel, and Heather had offered those that were watching a discount code for their holiday 2025 holiday box, and there were several different levels. I don't recall what they all were. This was back in June. I think it was the 29th or the 30th. It was the end of June. So I said, I'm gonna order myself an advent box for my channel, and I did. I know I ordered the smaller 12-day advent without all the bells and whistles. You know, it was my first, and I really wasn't sure what to expect. So yesterday I opened the first day for Crystal's, and it was, I'll show you what I got. It was the Starry Night. Okay, and it's in the, if you want to see it, go watch yesterday's video. It's beautiful yarn. So I hadn't received my shipment from Aberdeen Wool. So all day long I'm thinking, oh, you know, and I put a question out to my channel, to those that watched my video, should I open all of Crystal's, you know, one day after another? Or should I alternate between Crystal and then Aberdeen Wool? And funny thing, Crystal said, open them all together, open it all tomorrow. But I really want to have the little bit of excitement every day for Vlogmas. So I am going to alternate. But so all day long I'm thinking, the only advent I have today is Crystal. So I was excited to open day 2, which is actually day 14, today. I thought about it all day, and then I got home, and lo and behold, what was on my porch but my box from Aberdeen Tangled Poets. So what do? I was so excited all day to see Crystal's yarn, and then I have this. So I think I'm gonna open the Aberdeen Wool and maybe even open one of Crystal's today. But, you know, I wanna open the box because it was very nasty here today. You know, we had snow and rain and sleet and just damp and just awful. Yeah, I really just wanted to come home and put on my sweatpants and have a nice cup of tea. But, you know, work does call. So let's break open the box, okay? Because I'm curious to see, you know, because it's yarn and you don't know, you know, it's damp out there. And, okay, so the first thing you see is Tangled Poets 2025 holiday box. Oh, that makes me wonder what colors are there gonna be there. Yeah, so let me open it and see what it looks like. And this is how it was packaged. And it looks like there are patterns. Now, generally, all the patterns that come from Tangle Poets are knit. I don't know how to knit as yet. But I'll show you the patterns. Is a beechwood and tide. Oh, beautiful shawl. And Cohen socks. I have been crocheting socks and have purchased a lot of sock yarn. But these are all knit patterns. Someday I'll be knitting socks. But yeah, so some knit patterns. Let's see what else is in the box. And I'm only gonna open one day. But, okay, cute little notions kind of thing in here. Blocking pins and stitch markers and a cute little pin. That's great, because I'm always searching for my stitch markers. And Tangle Poets, if you could see it. Okay, so that's the theme for this year's holiday box. Okay, so nice little notions pouch. Very cute. And then there's also a candle. I didn't know I ordered the one that had the candle, so let me see if I can find a scissor, because I'm curious to smell it. I love candles. If you haven't watched Ellen from Yarn Doc, she's opening up an Advent Yankee Candles. And today she actually opened my favorite holiday scent, which is balsam and fir. Okay, so this is sandalwood essential oil soy wax made in Canada. Oh, very lovely. Like you could smell it. I hope you got a chuckle out of that. Yeah, can you smell it? Oh, but it's nice. It has one of those little wood wicks and soy candle. I will be burning that. Very nice. Okay, so let's get to, I have to find day 1. Okay, this is day 13. I'm not gonna open that, but let me find day 1. Okay, here we go. So there's 12 of these here, which I believe would be the minis. And I have gotten the minis before. I got the pickle jar. So these are larger than the pickle jar. Look how pretty. So this is day 1, all purples and turquoise. Very pretty. So this is, if I recall, let me see if it says, these are 30 grams, 110 yards each, 80% superwashable and 20% nylon. And it's a fingering weight. So yeah, this is great. I've actually made a shawl out of my my pickle jar, and I will showcase that when I open number 2, because I really wasn't totally prepared. But so that's number 1 for the Tangle Poets, and I'm not sure how, as I said, how I'm gonna do it. Am I gonna alternate? Am I gonna mix it up? Maybe it'll just be a surprise. Okay, but since I was planning on opening this all day, I'm gonna open 2. I'm gonna open, as I just did, the Tangle Poets, and I'm gonna open day 14, which is my day 2 from Crystal's Yarn, because yeah, I just have to. I just have to. Oh boy. Oh wow. It is a beautiful mini set, and it's what does it say? Okay, I'm gonna open it up so you can see it. And it's not an Advent without minis. This looks like very similar to the Crayola box that she had. Crayola crayons, I believe. I'm thinking that's what it is, but it's all minis. And this is 100% superwash merino, and it's a medium weight number 4. Beautiful yarn, beautiful yellow, like a cranberry, a purple, green, orange. These look to be like a gingerbread and blue. How beautiful is that? Now that is a fun, what an advent opening that is. This will make a great funky hat, I'm thinking. Yes, because you know I do make crazy hats for the Hat Queen. And if you're new to my channel, the Hat Queen is my sister who loves all the crazy hats. So some more minis, and I do have others that I can mix in with this. Beautiful, love it. Now that is an advent. Crystals day 2, love it. I'm loving all my yarn. I'm not sure what I'm gonna open tomorrow. Will it be a crystal, Bag O Day, hand-dyed advent, or will it be one of these beauties? I hope you'll tune in and find out. So what else am I gonna do? This week, what is gonna be on my hook? Laura Med Mimi's Crochet and Farming does Bod Hatapalooza, and she decided to go off the beaten path, and we're gonna be doing a crazy hat because 'tis the season for crazy hats. I will link her channel below so you can go see what she's chosen for Bod Hatapalooza. I also decided yesterday after watching Sarah Satch, you have to know Sarah. I'm gonna also link her channel below. She's doing the ugly Christmas sweater hat. The ugly Christmas, you know, you do your ugly Christmas sweater. I tried to do that last year and I made a poncho and it didn't come out so ugly. You'll see that on my channel also. But this is a hat. It's a funky Christmas hat, reminiscent of the ugly Christmas sweater. Actually, I have to try and find an ugly Christmas sweater for this week. So I think that's what they're gonna do on Friday at work. So what did I do? I found some ugly Christmas yarn scraps because this will be a great scrap project. So yeah, I found some ugly Christmas yarn and that's what I'm gonna be hooking up next. So hopefully I'll have that done by this week, and one of these openings you'll see me wearing the ugly Christmas sweater hat. Pattern is a free tutorial on Sarah Satch's channel, and I will link it below. Well, so that's my quick, well, it's not quick, it's already almost 14 minutes. In true fashion, Ellen likes to gab. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, and I hope you will tune in tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 3. And I will see you then. Take care. Bye now.